How will you distinguish ammonium sulphate salt from sodium sulphate salt by using concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide? This is the question, and we discuss about the answer of this question. Right now I discuss the answer of this question. So before starting the discussions regarding this answer of this question, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it right now. This question is very important question to distinguish between two salts, two different types of salts, and using concentrated solution. When two types of salts, two different salts are heated individually by using concentrated sodium hydroxide solution, what happens? The sodium sulphate is unaffected on heating with sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium sulphate salts remain unaffected by the heating of the salt with sodium hydroxide solution. This is one point. But on the other hand, when ammonium sulphate solution is heated with concentrated sodium hydroxide solution, that time ammonia gas is formed, and ammonia gas has irritating pungent smell, characteristic smell, and which turns Nessler reagent solution brown. So from this point of view, we can identify the sodium sulphate from the we can identify ammonium sulphate from sodium sulphate. Okay, so ammonium sulphate, sodium sulphate at first, no, we see at first ammonium sulphate. Ammonium sulphate on reaction with sodium hydroxide and in presence of heat, ammonium sulphate gives Na2SO4 plus NH3 plus water. By heating ammonium sulphate salt using sodium hydroxide solution concentrated, the sodium sulphate, ammonia gas and H2O is formed. Here these two, I am balancing this equation. Here total number of hydrogen is 4 into 2, 8 plus 2 means 10, 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, the equation is right now balanced equation. So when sodium hydroxide solution is added to sodium sulphate salt and heated, the mixture is heated, that time the sodium sulphate, ammonia gas and H2O form. Here ammonia gas is a characteristics you can say ammonia gas have a characteristics irritating smell, and from the smell the ammonia gas can easily be detected, and this ammonia gas turns Nessler reagent solution brown. Another another identification is that when we bring a glass rod dipped in concentrated HCl or dilute HCl near the mouth of the test tube, that time a dense white fumes, because ammonia gas and hydrogen chloride gas, HCl, ammonia and HCl both are combining to form dense white fume of ammonium chloride. So by this process the sodium sulphate can be detected by, ammonium sulphate can be detected, but sodium sulphate, for sodium sulphate, when it is heated with the sodium hydroxide solution, it is no reactions, it is unaffected by adding sodium hydroxide concentrated solution. This is concentrated sodium hydroxide solution and heating, the no reaction is taking place in the second case. So by using sodium hydroxide solution we can detect these two salts, these two different kind of salts, ammonium sulphate and sodium sulphate. Ammonium sulphate reacting with the sodium hydroxide solution in presence of heat to produce ammonia gas, and ammonia gas have irritating pungent odor and which can be detected And other tests to detect ammonia gas is like it turns Nessler reagent solution brown, and ammonia gas can when a glass rod dipped in HCl solution bring the mouth of the test tube, that time this ammonia gas gives a dense white fumes. So this way we can detect this type of these two types of salts. That's it. That is regarding the distinguish between two types of salts. I think you understand this topic well. Thank you for watching this discussion. You can like this video if you find this useful, and you can subscribe this channel also.